Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add the Monetag plugin and use it to monetize your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, this plugin is readily available for everyone. I found this by searching for it on the internet. It might even be available within the plugins marketplace on WordPress. So let me just check that really quickly since I forgot to do it before starting this video. So should be available. Yeah, there we go. You have the official plugin. Of course, you need a business plan or higher on WordPress to actually use it and activate it. However, I don't have it, so I'll have to settle with this. You can also download this as a zip file and then go to plugins and click add new plugin and upload the file from here to be able to install it. However, that is completely up to you what you wish to do. Now, to install it, you just need to go ahead and sign up for a publisher account if you don't already have it. Then you need to create an ad zone in your Monetag account. Then you just need to install the application or the plugin onto your website, activate it in your WordPress admin panel, and then sign up. And if you have more than one ad tag, you just need to all your ad zones will be loaded automatically and can be found inside the plugin. It's grouped by an ad format type, which is in the drop down menu, so you can group them yourself if you want to. And then you just need to select the zones you want to enable from the list. Just tick the checkbox, allow ads on all pages, and then select save changes. And you just need to choose the zone for each ad format you want to use on your website. And after you've done all of that, that is pretty much all you need to do. Sorry I couldn't show you guys myself, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.